Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo fudge balls. This simple recipe requires just 3 main ingredients: 1 package of Oreo cookies, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and 1 pound of melting chocolate. Make sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature before you begin. You'll also want to have a baking sheet ready, lined with parchment paper, to chill your finished treats. Let's get started on this fun and easy dessert. Now, let's get those Oreos ready. Take your entire package of Oreo cookies and crush them into very fine crumbs. A food processor works wonderfully for this, or you can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Remember to set aside about 2 tablespoons of these crumbs for a lovely garnish later. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the finely crushed Oreos with your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Mix these 2 ingredients together until they form a thick, uniform dough. Once your Oreo and cream cheese mixture is ready, it's time to roll. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into uniform balls, aiming for about 1 inch in diameter. Place each perfectly rolled ball onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. This is an important step to prevent sticking. Now, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator and chill the Oreo balls for at least 30 minutes. This firming up period is crucial for them to hold their shape beautifully when we dip them in chocolate. For the grand finale, let's dip and decorate. Melt your 1 pound of chosen melting chocolate according to the package instructions. Carefully dip each chilled Oreo ball into the warm, melted chocolate, ensuring it's completely coated. Use a fork to gently lift the ball, letting any excess chocolate drip away. Place the dipped balls back onto the parchment paper. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle them with those reserved Oreo crumbs for a lovely finish. Chill them again for about 15 minutes until the chocolate is firm. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.